So hello and namaste everyone, it's me Adesuna again back with my new vlog. Today I'm here at Jumeirah. So म भर्खर यहाँ Jumeirah यो सेन्चुरी प्लाजा बस स्टपमा झरेको छु अनि आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ म हल्का कन्फ्युज भएँ अनि म अलि अगाडि नै गइसकेको छु अनि चाहिँ बसको ड्राइभरले चाहिँ मलाई सजेस्ट गर्नुभयो. So he helped me and then again I came to the bus stop by taking the next bus and I came here at Century Plaza. So I'm heading towards the Jumeirah Beach. So stay tuned. I'm already thinking about the coming here, but I don't know about the place. So yeah, today I've got the time and I just visited here. Yeah, the weather is also favorable, like you can see. It's so mild and cloudy and it's also cold. If you need any location, yeah, you can just get a bus C10 and you can get down to the Century Plaza and you can visit here if you want. I think this is the place you must need to visit. Here is the really great place to visit. You can see a lot of things around here. So I just reached here at the beach and you can see here a lot of people roaming around. It's a little kind of cold, windy, and people are here having the moment. The best moment, I guess. You can see Bukan. यहाँ चाहिँ बर्ड्सहरु रहेछ. अहिले चाहिँ यसो हावा लाएर लास्ट चिसो भइरहेको छ तर मैले हुडी ब्यागमा हालेर ल्याएको छु. सो इट्स नट वरिज. अहिले फर्किँदा चाहिँ हुडी लाएर फर्किनु पर्ला. ओ माय गॉड, लास्ट चिसो भइरहेको यहाँ. एकदम हावा चलिरहेको छ. Jumeirah Beach 1. This is the best moment in life. म चाहिँ यही रुम नजिक भएर पनि 10 मिनेट भएर पनि अहिलेसम्म नआएको यस्तो दामी ठाउँ. I really missed a lot. म चाहिँ अनि भर्खर कामबाट आएर बसिरहेको थिएँ सो ठाउँ पनि डिसाइड भएको थियो त अनि लाइक यो ठाउँ चाहिँ मेरो माइन्डमा आइरहेको थियो अनि सो वाइ नट भनेर अनि यसो आएको टोटली वर्थ इट म्यान आई विल रेकमेन्ड एभ्रीवान टु कम हियर इट्स ग्रेट प्लेस लाइक वेदर पनि यस्तो फेभरेबल छ अनि यहाँको भाइब्स पिपल अराउन्ड अनि यो बिचको यो समुद्रको त्यो छालहरूको त्यो साउन्ड टोटली वर्थ इट म्यान And also I got this beautiful mic from the noon. Yeah, यो camera को mic चाहिँ त्यति clarity आउँदैन so I just got the wireless mic portable for the camera. So yeah, that's it. और चाहिँ यसको sound चाहिँ एकदम clarity छ. You can see मेरो यत्रो सानो कपाल पनि यस्तो उडाइरहेको छ भने चाहिँ कति हावा चलिरहेको होला यहाँ to everyone whom I invited. Really missed it. Especially Avinash Dai. तपाईँलाई मैले भनेको थिएँ नि जाम भनेर आउनु भएन. You missed a great things. Also the Manish Dai. I missed you here. I hope when we get back together we'll come here next time. See you. So this is all for today. So I'm gonna end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed and you might visit here. Yeah, it's really great place to visit. Yeah, it's really worth it. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hope you guys liked it. Like the channel, subscribe, share. This much for today. See you guys on next vlog. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. Happy New Year.